Welcome to our full guide on how to see your friend's Snapscore on Snapchat. Discover how to check your friend's activity level and engagement with these straightforward steps. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen to access your chats. Next, select the chat containing your friend's messages. Scroll through the chat until you find the message you're looking for. After locating the message, tap on your friend's profile photo at the top left corner of the chat screen. This action will bring up your friend's profile details. Under your friend's username, you'll see a ghost icon. Tap on this icon to reveal your friend's Snapscore, showing you their level of Snapchat activity and engagement. By following these steps, you can easily view your friend's Snapscore on Snapchat, gaining insights into their usage and interaction on the platform. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you understand how to check your friend's Snapscore on Snapchat. Stay connected and informed about your friend's activity level by monitoring their Snapscore.